Distance learning has become a lifeline for many learners. This is Dr. Leya Ouko Ouambo. Hello everyone. Thank you so much and welcome again to my podcast. This is Dr. Leya Ouko Ouambo. Today, we'll delve a little bit deeper into the subject of distance education. In today's world, digital world, education no longer stops at classroom walls, but here's the big question. Is access enough, or does success in distance learning depend on something more? Welcome to this episode. We'll try to explore why technological support is not a luxury, but a necessity for distance education learners. Drawing from my recent research conducted at the University of Nairobi in Kenya and the University of Sheikh Anta Diop in Senegal, today we unpack technology directly and how it shapes student performance, retention, and success in distance learning environments. Whether you are an educator, policymaker, student, or edtech innovator, this conversation matters to you. When we talk about technological support, we are not just talking about laptops or internet access. Technological support includes and supports reliable learning platforms and learning management systems, access to digital libraries and updated course materials, online tutoring and academic guidance, technical help desk and learner orientation, and digital skills training for both students and instructors. In distance learning, technology is the classroom, it is the library, it is the tutor, and sometimes the only connection to the institution. When that system fails, learners are left isolated and performance therefore suffers. The study behind this podcast examined 250 distance learning students, and this was across Kenya and Senegal, and the findings are striking. In Kenya, technological support explained nearly 70% of student performance outcomes. In Senegal, it explained about 44%. When I put it simply, the more consistent and reliable the technological support, then the better students performed. Strong systems therefore enabled: 1. Timely feedback from tutors. Secondly, continuous assessment and progress tracking. 3rd, updated and relevant learning materials. And 4thly, reduced learner frustration and dropout rates. This evidence confirms a powerful truth. Technology is not just a delivery tool, it is a performance driver. Distance learning often juggles work, family responsibilities, and limited connectivity. So, without strong technological support, these pressures widen learning gaps. This study aligns transactional distance theory, which tells us that learning succeeds when communication between learners and instructors is strong and technology is the bridge. When platforms are reliable and interactive, learners feel connected, autonomy increases, their motivation improves, retention rates rise. So in contrast, poor systems increase isolation, frustration, and disengagement, especially for learners in low-resource or humanitarian settings. These findings have global implications. Distance education is a key pathway to Sustainable Development Goal 4, quality education for all. But access alone is not enough. Universities and governments must invest in digital infrastructure, continuous training for faculty, learner-centered support systems, affordable and stable connectivity. Without this, distance learning risks becoming a promise that excludes the very learners it is meant to serve. As we move deeper into the digital education, one message is clear. Technology does not replace educators, but strong technological support empowers learners to succeed. If we want distance education to transform lives, we must design systems that truly support those who learn at a distance. Thank you for listening. Share this episode, start this conversation, and let's build inclusive, high-quality digital learning together. This is Dr. Leya Ouambo. Thank you very much. Distance learning has become a lifeline for many learners. This is Dr. Leya Ouko Ouambo.